Hello children, it's a continuation for electrochemistry numericals and the question given is EMF of voltaic cell is X volts and that is zinc voltaic cell as well as silver, zinc and silver voltaic cell given, and what is the EMF of the cell? The same voltaic cell is given but concentration is changed. So here if you observe it, Ag plus concentration they have given 1 molar, Zn2 plus concentration is 1 molar, and whose potential is X volts. What does it mean? E naught cell is equal to X volts. Now if you see this, another cell Zn2 plus whose concentration is 0.1 molar, Ag plus 0.1 molar, and it is Ag. If you write the reactions here, Zn giving rise to Zn2 plus by loss of electrons at anode. Now similarly Ag plus accepts that electron and giving rise to Ag. To compensate the number of electrons we have to keep 2 En, 2 Ag, right? So 2 electrons and 2 electrons gets cancelled. What is the reaction we have? Plus 2 Ag. Right. Finally, what you have to calculate, children? What is the EMF of this cell? EMF of this cell you have to calculate it. What is the formula? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon n log Zn2 plus concentration upon Ag plus concentration whole square. So E cell we don't know, E naught cell X 0.06 approximately, n values 2 electrons is given, no? 2, and log Zn2 plus concentration is given in the numerical how much? 0.1. Ag plus concentration also 0.1. 0.1 upon 0.1 whole square. So x minus it is 0.03 log it is 10 raised to minus 1, right? And it is 0.1 whole square. That means 10 raised to minus 2, and the whole value will become log 10. So log 10 is equal to 1. So x minus 0.03 volts. So you can check the options. That is option C is the correct answer for that. Now moving on to the next question. A solution of ZnSO4 in which Zn rod is dipped is diluted to 100 times the potential of the zinc electrode is, and these are the given options. And if you write it, Zn solid giving rise to Zn2 plus by loss of 2 electrons. This is the electrode reaction. Now E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon n log Zn2 plus concentration upon Zn concentration. Now we have to calculate the potential of the zinc electrode. We have to calculate it, right? So E cell we have to calculate it, and E naught cell will be taken as 0.06 approximately, and n is equal to 2 electrons log Zn2 plus concentration is diluted to 100 times. They have given here, so it will be 100. Zn concentration as it is solid, it will be taken as 1, right? So then what will you get? E cell is equal to minus 0.06, right, upon 2. But log 10 square, E cell is equal to minus 0.06 upon 2 into log 10 square, it will be 2, and 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So E cell is equal to minus 0.06 volts. It can be written as minus 60 millivolts. Why? Because answer is given in millivolts. I am converting volts into millivolts. So answer will be changes by 60 millivolts. Option A is the correct answer for that. Now moving on to the next question. What they have given? Consider the following reaction. This is the cell given reaction, and SRP values are given. E naught Ag plus to Ag 0.80 volts, and CD2 plus to CD, it is SRP. SRP value is given. What is the standard potential? That means standard reduction potential, SRP of this reaction. Calculate the EMF of the cell we have to calculate the E cell. If the concentrations of CD2 plus and Ag plus ions are 0.05 and 0.1 molar respectively. First of all, calculate E0 cell, SRP. You ask, no? SRP is asking, no? E0 cell is equal to SRP cathode minus SRP anode. Cathode, I potentially have to take it. I potential is 0.80 and minus of minus 0.40. So it will be taken as plus 1.20 volts. We have come to know what is E0 cell. Now what we have to calculate? E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.0591 upon N log. In reaction, it is solid, it is aqueous, and it is aqueous and it is solid. So what you will write? Log CD2 plus concentration upon Ag plus concentration, Ag plus concentration whole square. Why? Because coefficient 2 is there in that. So substitute the values here. E0 cell value just now we have calculated 1.20 minus 0.0591 upon 2. Number of electrons transfer is 2. Log CD2 plus concentration is given to you. How much given to you? 0.1 molar, and 0.05 is for CD2 plus, Ag plus concentration is 0.1. Put it there. 0.05 upon 0.1 whole square given, no? So I am writing it as 0.01. So it will be taken as 0.01 into 5. 1.20, approximately it will be taken as 0.06 by 2. Log 5, 0.6990. So 0.6990, approximately it will be taken as 0.7. It will be 0.03. So what will you get? 1.2 minus 0.03 into 0.7 is 1.2 minus 0.020. So E cell will be equal to 1.18 volts positive. This is the answer. You check it once.